What's up, it's Joe with OCDetailing, and I'm petting this car because it had a bad day at a hair salon. And I have a Porsche Taycan behind me that has what I would consider a less than beautiful PPF install on it. There's this area right here. If you do not get your tension right when you push this film down, 100% this happens, so you have to be really careful. And this person did not do that. You know, there's a bunch of lifting edges. There's a bunch of bubbles on it. There's a bunch of really not so clean cuts. Oh yeah, here. Here. And the edges are all puckering. You want me to pull it off right here? Can I start pulling it off? Or do you need to see more? Like, at least I didn't massacre his paint from what I can see.